Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand Find Replace tool available in Alteryx Designer platform. Find Replace tool is used to search for data in one field from one data stream and replace it with a specified field from different stream. Now, how we can use this tool? Let's see in Alteryx Designer platform. We already have one example available in Find Replace tool. Click on it, open the example, press run, click OK. Click on the text input. So this is your first data set. It consists of record, transaction ID, transaction date, account holder, amount. Again, click on text input. So these are the words which are in the original data set, which we want to do the replacement by this words. So this should be replaced by N, CO should be replaced by company, CMPY should be replaced by company, DPT should be replaced by department. INC should be replaced by incorporated. So for this, we'll use find and replace tool. How we can use it? Connect your original data set with F and the replacements to be connected with R. Click on find replace tool. So the configuration can be done from here. At present, we are not clicking on match whole word only. This will do in the next case. Now run it. Click on the output anchor of find replace tool and just see the replacements have been done. Just see company, company. So this was replace values contained in a string. The next example, replace whole words only. The tool remains same, but in the settings, click on match whole word only. Now again run the tool. Click on the output anchor. So when we should use this? In the example above, all instances of CO were replaced with company so that Colorado changed to company Colorado. So we only want matching words are changed. So let's see what it gives. Checking the match whole word only here ensures that only substrings surrounded by spaces and or at the start or at the end of the string will be replaced. So this is much better technique than the previous one. So this is how you can use find replace tool available in Alteryx. For more videos on Alteryx, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I uploaded videos on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also join me on different social medias, link given in the description box.